This is the electric water heater. Doesn't have a safety pan. Temperature pressure relief valve drain line is cramped. It's restricted. Tilts upwards. It creates a trap. It's been amateurishly repaired. The electric connection is loose. The electric conduit's loose. The grounding. There's no evident grounding for this. The water supply lines. T&P. They should be insulated. You should have an electric service disconnect. And we've got corrosion on the supply valve, service valve. I don't see a care and use manual. This unit was manufactured in 2010. Okay, it's almost 2020. It was the 7th month, so we're almost 2020. So this unit's 10 years old. That's about how long they last. It's 50 gallons.